Hey guys, Aaron Williams here at MarineMax Jupiter with the pleasure of bringing you a walkthrough video on our brand new model, the Aquila 36 Molokai fishing catamaran. This boat is absolutely loaded and it's ready to do everything that you want to do out on the water. So we'll jump into the boat. I'll show you all of its features. Starting with the transom here, we've got a huge walkway and a giant ladder underneath this hatch here. We've got twin Mercury Racing engines on this boat, 500 horsepower each. You can opt in to have the twin Mercury 425 V10s as a secondary option. When you step onto the boat, you're greeted with two massive live wells, and then we even have two more in-floor live wells inside the boat. So you have plenty of space for a full day of fishing. You can throw as much bait as you want in and really take advantage of getting out there. So as you come in, we've got two transom seats. They do tuck away and fold. You've got bolsters all around, so while you're fighting a fish, you can lean up against them. Really comfortable boat. It's got a really big beam. There's tons of area for you and all your friends. One of the features here in the aft cockpit is we've got twin pull-out Yetis with cushions, so you can use them as extra seating. We've got a massive fishing station here. So we got tackle storage, built-in ruler for your fish, and then we've got a nice summer kitchen here. So not only can you catch fish, you can also cook your dinner as well. As we bring your attention up, we do have a Raymarine screen here so you can see all of your boat's information and data. Rocket launchers. This boat is equipped with outriggers and radar. So this boat is fully ready to go. We'll just kind of go forward up here to the helm station and show you what else this boat has. So on either side of the helm, we do have refrigerators, and we've got 3 seats here. They do go forward and back on electric actuators. And then we've got the command center right here. So this boat is powered by C-Zone. So all of your switching is digital and done right through the screen here. You've got 2 large Raymarine screens to show all of your information, your fish finder, radar, all your engine data. And then up top here, we've got hard push buttons, and we've got our Hooker electric live well pumps, as well as our Fusion head unit there. This boat is equipped with a Mercury joystick piloting system, zip wakes, and you've got your digital throttles here. So this is the area where any captain can stay for hours and really utilize all the technology that this boat has. And then for a comfortability feature, we do have AC here at the helm. Keeps this area nice and cool for those really long, hot days out. This boat here, being a catamaran, it has a very unique feature. It has a full cabin and bathroom. So we'll jump in there and I'll show you what that has to offer. So tucked away behind this door here, we do have a full cabin with air conditioning and a bathroom. So pretty unique feature here on the catamaran style boat. Not a lot of these boats in the class will have this, but you do have a pretty nice large bed here, about the size of maybe a twin size bed. We have a bathroom tucked away under here with a freshwater sink. Again, this is all air conditioned and heated, so you can stay nice and comfortable on those long hauls out or for an overnight trip. So as we make our way forward, in the floor here, we have tons of storage. So you've got massive in-floor fish boxes. You've got areas to store all of your toys, dock lines, fenders, anything you want to bring out on the water. There's a spot for it on this boat. And one of the other unique features is you can walk all the way to the front. So no matter where you're at on this boat, you have a great area for fighting a fish. This boat is equipped with electric plugs for your electric reels. They're gonna be down here underneath the gunnels. And you've got rod storage up here. We do have a table insert for this massive sun pad. So 3 people wide, and it does have the option to open up, get some fresh air down into the cabin, or you can opt in to have this just be closed all the time. We have windlass anchor system access, and we have storage to port and starboard up here. So for all your dock lines and fenders, again, there's a spot for everything. And this boat is loaded with a premium sound system. So you've got speakers everywhere, and they're all RGB LED lit. So you can change the color of them to match the hard tops lighting. And while we're up here, you can see the FLIR camera system, the razor lights, and your open array radar. So this boat is loaded out and ready to go. So one of the really unique features here again on this boat is they have integrated windows into the side of the hull, keeping that traditional Aquila look, but it also gives you a great vantage point from while you're inside the cabin. You can still directly see out and see the water. Just a really neat feature, so you're never losing the sight of the water and just looking at the inside of a gunnel. So Aquila really thought of everything on this boat here. All right, thank you for joining me through a quick walkthrough on this Aquila 36 Molokai. There's a ton more features of this boat. Can't cover it all in one video, but if you want to see this boat or something similar, come on down to MarineMax Jupiter and ask for Aaron. We look forward to getting you guys out on the water.